Have you ever looked at your trading account and thought, how do really people turn few dollars into thousands? Most people blow the account or they make one lucky trade and lose it all the following day. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to take $200 to $2,500 in just 3 days, step by step. No flap, no secret indicators, just smart setups, timing, and good risk management. This is not about luck, it's all about having a good plan. Now stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now look at this. So I earned $150 here. I just decided to top up another $50 to be 200, raised it to $983, took another train to raise it all the way to $1780. That was crazy, and that $1787. So then I closed that. I took another sell of the gold here, and you can see is that I actually trading only gold here. Just look at that. We took another sell for the gold. Things did not go well. We almost went negative there, but the market actually went all the way to a direction just like that. We managed to capture small amounts of money here, which is let me show you, around 60 and 50, almost $300 right there. And then we are going to close it at 19, around 19 there. So we close that one at 1904. So you're going to take another trend and of the same coin, and we are already this day we made $1,000. So we are going to take a sell as the market is moving, because there was analysis we were doing, the market was actually to come down, and now we just look at that, the market is moving down. So we just need one candle actually to just print like that, and then we harvest over $300 just like that. Boom, $400 just like that, and then we just get 24. And to get the goal of 2,500, we just need to take one buy, and we got the buy there. So the buy we just get and harvested and did dollars just like that, easy. Now you have seen us trading gold, and you'll be asking yourself, why gold? Because gold is actually fast, it is filled, and honestly is one of the best market for flipping small account if you know actually what you're doing. But it's actually most risky, and because one single mistake you could actually blow everything. That's why I followed rules and I stuck to them, no matter how tempting it was to break them. Now rule number one that I followed is actually to avoid major trading news, that is NFPs, EPI, all the news that I know they can actually make the market to just spike. I make sure that I put that aside. Rule number two, only trend setup with at least 3 confirmations. So you make sure that at least you have 3 confirmation when you're analyzing. Either you are using time frame alignment, you are using other indicators, or whatever you're just using, make sure that at least you have 3 confirmation. And rule number 3, yes, I risked up to 50% of my account early. It sounds crazy, right? But that's how actually you flip fast. More on that soon. Do you know actually the hardest part when you actually it comes to this account is what? It's not going from $1,000 to $2,000. It's actually going from $200 to $500, and that's where most people actually give up or get reckless. So I focused only on the best setups, so no random trends, just pure high probability moves. I want you to listen to me carefully on this. This part is important. Now when you're analyzing the market, you actually have to go very deep. That is why you can actually start from the highest time frame all the way to the lowest time frame, from analyzing the candlesticks pattern and to the smallest time frame. This is what actually gives you sniper entry, and that is what you are looking. Sniper entries are the key for getting $200 to $500, and that's the stage where most actually traders mess up. But when actually you dial into the chart properly, that's where you make real progress. Now this one right here, I waited nearly just 4 hours, just this single entry. Why? Because I'm not here to just gamble, I'm here to win. Managing the risk is one of the most important parts. Now let's talk about risk management, because you know this is where so many people actually mess up again. Now how did I manage my risk? This is where most people normally go wrong. They win 2 trends, get excited, and one bad trend, it takes all back. Here is my exact plan. My first $500, big risk. I was actually risking between 40% and 50% per trade. Past $500, I cut that risk into 20 to 30%. Past $1,000, I now risking 15%. Past $2,000, I switched to preservation mode, small risk only. Do you know about the preservation risk? If you don't know, you can check one of my videos. Now, why? Because the goal was not to turn $200 into 10K in a week. The goal was simple: win the challenge, lock the profit, or walk away proud. Small account flipping is not gambling, it's risk management with timing. Now, how many trades per day? That's actually supposed to be at least 2 or 3, and that is it. Now, here is the rule. The minimum actually risk reward ratio actually should be 1 is equal to 2. I'm aiming here to make $100 or more. So if I'm risking $50, I'll aim to make at least $100 or more. I don't care about having a busy trading day. One good trade a day is actually better than 10 random ones. Now, let me give you a live example right here. This one, the actual trade that helped me flip the account, I didn't just jump in. I just waited for the multiple confirmation, checked multiple time frames, and then I took the shot. It's not actually a magic, it's just discipline. That's the difference between a gambler and a trader. Now, what happens after the flip? Now, here is the part nobody talks about. What do you do after you hit your goal? Do you go wild and try to flip it into 10K? No, I scale down. Small trend, safer setups. I protected the win. I even actually withdrew some of the profit. Small wins builds confidence. Big wins build bad habit if you don't learn how to stop. So if you can protect your wins, you have actually beaten 90% of the traders out there. So, you know what I wish I knew sooner? It's not about funds indicator. It's about the secret discount group. It's about doing less and waiting more, taking fewer but better trades. I used to lose money because, I thought trading is actually meant for having to be active, just glued on the screen of the whole day. Now, the fewer decisions I make, the better I do. This mindset flipped not just this account, but every account I have managed since. Now, if you want me to break down this strategy more, or if you want me to assess my signal group, drop a comment right now that says gold. Make sure that you also subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a good video just like this. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to teach you how to do it right. So if that is what you want, join the squad.